Hello. Nice day. Well, what passes for a nice day in January in England. So I thought I'd actually dig the bike out the shed and go for a bike ride and do a bit of filming. Have a bit of a muck around. I think I'm going to go up Bircher Common and see where it takes me. I've got no plans. I'm just going to go and explore. Got my bag full of toys. Got my wheels. Got some nice countryside. I'm dressed to impress, or I'm dressed to get covered in mud and ready to rock. Let's go and see what we can find. Just a little bit of mud. Herefordshire. A bit of Wales in the background. So I think I'm going to go that way, and then later on I will come back through here where that person's walking down, which you probably can't see, but I'll come back that way and I'll head back down the hill the same way, just to avoid getting on roads really. come down the common. It's about a mile of downhill. Just grass. It's all right. It's good fun. Now I'm going to head to the woods and head towards the castle. Find it. Pretty sure it's that way. Crack on. Croft Castle and Parkland. I am here. So I'm going to try and find that blue trail. As you can see, it's a bit muddy. I think the only thing muddier than my bike is me. It's a lovely bit of ancient woodland. Really beautiful trees up there. Might be worth stopping for a couple of photos. Well, if the sun would come out. Really need sun or fog. Ideally a combination of the two. Yeah, I'll buy some fish balls. Pretty cool. Just a little bit muddy. Having fun though, so it doesn't matter. It's all part of the experience. Really nice spot. Another pool down there. Some sort of, I don't even know what you call it. Very old house. It's best to sit. Let's go find the hill fort. Let's get out of the forest, get up on the top of the hill, find the drone and get some nice views. Bike can't take this amount of mud. Everything is just stuck. Not work. Bikes. I've just been spending 10 minutes trying to clean all the mud off the bike because it's not working. There's so much mud that my mountain bike's died. The hill fort is up there. One more gate, one more bank. Hope it's not got too much mud because I cannot take any more mud on the bike because it's just about working. I'm literally covered in mud. Well, anyway, we're nearly there. Made it to the hill fort. Bike's broken, but hey, still riding it. It's a lovely spot. there we go. I hope you enjoyed my little journey through the quagmires. I'm on top of the hill and I'm done. I'm going to try and get home and avoid any more mud baths. I hope my bike doesn't break. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Goodbye.